good coffee. What up, y'all? It's your boy BCD in the house, and you are now rocking to another episode of Good Life Cooking. Got my Imperfect Foods delivered for the week. I am solid. So I'm gonna basically walk you through what my typical breakfast routine looks like every day. What I do order in the box is gonna be like potatoes, tomatoes, a lot of like basic stuff like broccoli, onions, garlic, just all my fundamental stuff that I'm gonna need to stock just so I have enough for the week. So today I'm gonna just do a quick potato hash. Really tasty, really easy, about 20-30 minutes and you're done with breakfast. And it's gonna just be a healthy way to start your day. If you guys aren't familiar with Imperfect Produce, it's a food waste fighting program. They deliver produce right to your doorstep. You can basically pick the produce you want, pick the schedule you want for delivery, and boom, you have yourself convenient, easy access to good produce. They basically take the surplus of food from grocery stores, farmers, all that jazz, and deliver it to you guys for 30% cheaper than purchasing in a grocery store. The box I got, typically I spend about $25 to $30 every single week, and it's really convenient. So you can grab $10 off using my code GoodLifeCooking. I'll leave all that in the link down below. Just go to imperfectfoods.com, plug it in and get 10 bucks off. Anyways, let's go start the cooking. Gotta drink some coffee first. Oh, there's just something about coffee that just gets your blood boiling. Anyways, okay, let's get started. We're gonna be making a potato hash for two. Got my Imperfect Foods potatoes. Next up, we're gonna get 2 organic Roma tomatoes. You can use a little bit more if you want to. And then I do have 1 avocado, which will top over the hash. You're gonna need half an onion, which we will dice. And also gonna need a red bell pepper. Oh shit, this is an orange bell pepper. Anyways, yeah, you're probably gonna need about half of this. For garnish, you're just gonna need some fresh flat leaf parsley. If you don't have this, no worries, it's just kind of an optional thing, but I always like to top things off with some herbs, give it a nice kick, and finish. And to level up your dish at the beginning of the day, why not? What I also like to do to add just a little flavor, a little substance to the dish is serve it up with some tortilla. This one is just my favorite, Mi Rancho street tacos. Grab this at Whole Foods. You can get this at any grocery store, I'm pretty sure. But this shit is fire. All right, let's get to cooking. First up, we're gonna dice the potatoes about 1/4 inch in length. We're also gonna dice up the red bell peppers, and we're gonna dice up half an onion. Dice up the Roma tomatoes as well. Once you dice up the peppers, onions, and tomatoes, we're going to marinate the potatoes in a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Just set some non-stick skillet or pan to medium-low heat. Let those potatoes crisp up and get real golden brown. And make sure they're soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. To season the potatoes, I use a quick combination of some chili powder and some ground cumin. I also throw in at the end a little bit of onion powder to give it a little bit more of a kick. We're gonna take those potatoes off the pan. Let's go ahead and throw on the onions and bell peppers. Give that a quick sear for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once those have a nice sear, we're gonna add back in the potatoes. Lastly, we're gonna throw in the tomatoes. We're gonna throw in the herbs. The other ingredient that I always add to my hash is some black beans or lentil beans or any type of bean that you have. Here I have some leftover black beans that I boiled with a little bit of garlic and some bell pepper. We'll go ahead and set that aside. Once the hash is done, we're gonna toss the corn tortillas on an open flame. Just give it about 30 seconds on each side and you are good to go. Everything's ready for plating. We're gonna dice up some avocado, scoop that over the top. I do have a cashew-based cream sauce here with a little bit of flat leaf parsley, some chives. I'll leave the link down below so you can grab that recipe. It's one of my favorite go-to sauces. All right, y'all, there you have it. My go-to breakfast every day. I wanna give a quick thanks to Imperfect Foods for the free box, and I am gonna get down with some grub. I'll see you guys on the next one. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, do all the great things. Live that vegan life, baby. BCD, Good Life Cooking. I'm out. Peace.